Good morning, everyone. Today I will discuss chapter number 1, Matter. I will discuss with you, according to first term syllabus, each and every topic in detail, one by one. The topics are main postulates of kinetic molecular theory of matter, three states of matter in terms of movement of particle, energy content in three states of matter, change of state in matter using the kinetic theory, boiling, vaporization, melting, fusion, evaporation, condensation, sublimation, deposition, freezing, and change of stated diagram using the term mentioned. Firstly, we have to focus on the term that is the name of chapter, matter. What is matter? Matter is something which have their own mass, which can occupy the space in the environment, which can be sensed. For example, water, air, so many things. Those who are present in the environment are called matter. Next, kinetic molecular theory. Kinetic molecular theory plays main role in matter. In order to understand the kinetic molecular theory, we have to clear the first term, kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy? It is energy possessed by an object due to its motion, and the formula is half mv square. It means to say that when any object in motion, then whatever the amount of energy is present in it is called kinetic energy. If an object is not moving, then its kinetic energy will be zero. Now question is there, why we have to study kinetic molecular theory of matter? What is the main importance of kinetic molecular theory of matter? The answer is, kinetic theory explains the different properties of the matter, such as pressure, volume, temperature, etc. This theory also helps to explain why matter exists in different states, such as solid, liquid, gas. Already you study these different states of matter in your previous standard. You can see the diagram of solid, liquid and gas. In solid, molecules are packed tightly, and in liquid, molecules are loosely packed, and in gas, molecules are far away placed. That is the three different kinds of states of matter. Now we have to focus on the main aspects, main points of the kinetic molecular theory. And these main points are following. The number 1, atom and molecules. Matter is made up of very extremely small atom and molecules. These atom and molecules are microscopic in nature. Here I am using the term microscopic. Microscopic means these atom and molecules can be seen with the help of only microscope. We cannot see them with our naked eye. And what is atom and what is a molecule? This is also you study in your previous standard. Atom is the basic unit of matter, which is further subdivided into proton, electron, neutron. And atom, they don't have their own independent existence. Molecule, when many atoms, similar or dissimilar, combine together, they form molecules. And molecules have their own existence. It means that the ingredient or constituent of matter, we call them atom and molecules. Atom and molecules together, they have to form matter. Next, atom and molecules, they have empty spaces between them. Means matter, their constituent, atom and molecules, they have gaps between them. When we talk about the three states of matter, firstly the solid. In solid, molecules are tightly packed. Liquid molecules are loosely packed. And in gases, molecules are far away placed. Means gap is present in the molecules of liquid as well as in the gases. There is no empty space present in case of the solid. Just look at the diagram. It makes more clear to you. Next one. Among the atom and the molecule, there is a kind of attractive force called intermolecular force. Intermolecular force stands for, inter means between, among, and molecular means molecule. Means the kind of force which is present between the molecule is called intermolecular force. This kind of force holds the molecule together at a place in the solid, in the liquid, and in the gases. Kinetic energy is totally dependent on the temperature. We can say that kinetic energy is directly proportional to the temperature. Temperature, you know that it is the measure of degree of hotness or coldness. Whenever we have to increase the temperature of any substance, any state of matter, its kinetic energy also increases. And this also decides the different states of matter. Means which substance exists in solid, in liquid, and in gases. It means to say that temperature decides the state of matter, and temperature also decides the average of the kinetic energy. Average means sum of the all kinetic energy of all particles that constitutes the matter. You also calculate the average in mathematics, na? That is the same average is here. Average means sum of the all energy of all particles that constitutes the matter. And temperature also play main role in the change of state of matter. For the last point, we can take example, conversion of ice to water on supplying of heat.